My today's recipe is a really easy, delicious one-pot meal chicken pulao. I will show you all the tips and tricks that you need to make a delicious non-sticky chicken pulao. So please do try the recipe this way and I hope you enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, share and like. So come follow along and cook with me. To make the chicken pulao, first we are going to marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kg of chicken and I'm going to marinate that with a few ingredients. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, you can adjust based on your spice level, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, some salt, about a teaspoon I gave here, and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now we are going to mix all of this well together and keep the chicken for 45 minutes to an hour. Here I have taken 3 cups or 600 grams of basmati rice. For this recipe, please use a long grain rice like basmati. And first I will soak this rice in some water and keep it for 20 to 30 minutes. Now I'm going to make an onion birasta. For that, here I'm adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. First we will heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add 2 small to medium sized onions that I have sliced, and we will fry the onions really well till they become more of the dark brown, but make sure that the onions don't get burned and you keep stirring pretty occasionally. The onions have now turned dark brown, as you can see here, so our birasta is ready. I have taken a plate and put a kitchen towel on top, and I'm going to set the birasta aside. In the same pan and to some leftover oil, I'm going to add another 4 tablespoons of oil, and first we'll heat up the oil really well. The oil is now hot. Now we will add some whole spices. So here I have 2 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom, 6 green cardamom, 7 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of mace, 1/4 of a nutmeg, 1 star anise, and 2 1-inch of cinnamon stick. So I'm going to add all of these, and we are going to fry this for 30 to 40 seconds till we get a nice aroma from the whole spices. I'm getting a really nice aroma from the whole spices. Now we will add 2 small to medium sized onions, 250 grams that I have sliced, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized and turned light brown. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. So I'm adding that. And now we will fry the ginger garlic paste at a medium-low flame for 3 to 4 minutes till we no longer get any raw smell of the ginger garlic. I'm no longer getting any raw smell of ginger garlic. Now we will add the marinated chicken. So I'm adding all of that. I have added the chicken. Now at a medium-high flame, we will cook the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes till the chicken starts releasing water and also changes its color. It's been 6 minutes and you can see the chicken has started releasing water. Now we will add 1 large tomato, about 150 grams that I finely chopped, and also add a cup of chopped coriander leaves, a cup of chopped mint leaves, and now we will mix everything well together and we will continue to cook this till the tomatoes become soft and we can see the oil separating out. This will take somewhere between 5 to 6 minutes, and please keep the flame as medium. It's been about 5 minutes and the tomatoes have turned completely soft. Now we will add the soaked basmati rice. So I've drained out the water completely and I'm going to add this. And again, we will just gently mix the rice with the rest of the chicken and masala and cook this together for another 2 minutes. Do not stir the rice too much because then the rice might just break. So just gently mix it and keep it for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now we will add 4.5 cups of warm water And now at a medium flame, we will first let the water come to a boil. The water has now come to a boil. Now we will add a little bit more salt. We already added salt in the marination of the chicken, so when you add salt here, just be mindful of that. And I will also add 3 green chilies that I've slit in the middle. If you want, you can skip this. And now we will cover this with a lid, and at a low flame we will continue to cook this till the rice and the chicken are completely done. The rice and the chicken are now completely cooked. Now we will turn off the oven and let this rest for about 5 minutes. Our chicken pulao is completely ready, and you can see how nice and fluffy the rice is. So it's not mushy, it's really nice and separate. So please do try the recipe this way and you'll have a perfect chicken pulao. At the end, we will garnish this with some beresta that we made before. So just garnish this with the beresta. And now our chicken pulao is completely ready. It's a really easy recipe, quick to make. So please do try it this way, and I hope you enjoyed. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.